Hello everyone, my name is Rajul Goyal. In this video, I will demonstrate important SPSS analysis. We will cover importing data, variable setup, the reliability analysis, central tendency, dispersion correlation, and factor analysis. So let's get started. Let me introduce the questionnaire we use for this study. As you can see in my screen, first question is what is your academic status? There are four options for all the questions. So you will select one which is preferable to you. Then second question is when you think about your ideal workplace, what matters most to you? And this is the third question. There are total 10 questions in this questionnaire. All are MCQ. So you have to only fill the option. So this is the fourth question. This is the fifth question. This is the sixth question. This is the seventh. This is the eighth question. This is the ninth question and this is the 10th question. So I have made the questionnaire and I have got 76 responses in this. 76 people have filled this and this is the like output of my form. There are 76 responses where 75% are from final year graduation, undergraduate student, and you can see in like 8% are the recent graduate, and 10.5% are the postgraduate, and 6% are the MBA student. So these are the like answer for these are the feedback I've got from the 76 responses. So you can see in the screen. So mostly were the undergraduate students. So these are the questions. So after this questionnaire, now first we will import our data set. This is the my first assignment. So this is the it's 1 second. This is the my first assignment. I have to import data and data coding. So first we will import our data set into SPSS and do basic data coding. Coding means like assigning numbers to SPSS so we can calculate statistic. So I will go to file, open data from here. Then I will select my dataset and click open. So you can select from here. I have already selected my file. So this is the my whole data, which I got through my responses, my questionnaire. So now the data is open in the data view, as you can see. So now I have to the data appears in data view. Each row is a respondent and each column is a variable. For coding, I assign numbers to responses. For example, like male is for like there is a male or female, so I will assign male for one and female for two. This helps SPSS analyze the data correctly. So as you can see, this is the data view. In the variable view, I will first here you can see some values I have written. So I have marked their values like I have shown like final. I will show you here. Like you can see in screen, like I have marked finally undergraduate student as 1 and MBA student as 2 and postgraduate student as 3 and recent graduate as 4. So I have done all the variables like this. So now you can see in the data view, if I will go to this value labels, so it will show you like this 1, 2, 3. One is the final year, second is the MBA as I have shown. So this will help me to analyze the SPSS data easily. So this was my the first assignment. So I have done this. Now secondly we will go. Now the second assignment was Cronbach alpha reliability of Likert scale dataset in graph chart. So here now we will check the reliability. So we will first go to analyze, as you can see, analyze. Then we will go to scale. Through scale, we will go to the reliability analysis. We will click it. It will open. So I will select all the items and items should be in the numeric form. So select I am selecting all the items. Then I am putting in items column and I can click in statistic and click this descriptives for item scales and scale if deleted continue. So I will press OK. Then it will show me the output for this. So it is opening and I have got my result. So it is the The liability, as you can see the output. So I have got my output of the second lab also. Now to build the graph or chart, I can simply go to graph sections. In the graph, I can, like, if I want histogram, so I click on histogram and I will select all the variables. Let me first select the variables. So I have selected all the variables. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, sorry for the this. Now I will create for the graph, or I will go to the bar. Then in bar chart, I will select the simple and summary of separate variables define. And now I will select all these my variables. I will push this into bars represent, and I will select OK button. So I get the bars, as you can see in my screen. I've got the representation of graph like mean wise. So this was my the second assignment. Now it is the third assignment where we have to find the central tendency and dispersion. So we will go back to my this. This is the SPS software. So now I have to click to analyze. Then I will click to analyze to descriptive statistics. Then there are two I have to find. First of all, I will find for descriptives. I click the descriptive. Now I will select all the variables. Let me select first. Now I will put in the variable column. Now I will check the options. If I have to want, like, I want variance, range, uh, distribution. If I want this, like, I can select, and this is the continue. I will do then OK. So this is the descriptive statistics for my question I have shown to you, like lab 3. Now I will do for the frequency. Wait a minute. So for frequency also, I will go to analyze descriptive statistic. Then frequency I have to click. In frequency I have to select all the variables. I am selecting this all the variables. Now I will import in variables column. In statistic I will dispersion, standard variation, central tendency. I will take mean, median. So I got this also, like individual frequency table. I have got, you can see in my screen. So these are the frequency table. As you can see, it is also written there. So that's all for the lab 3 also. Now it is the lab 4 correlation. So basically we analyze correlation between variables. Correlation tells us how strongly two variables are related, like values ranges from -1 to +1. Now I will show you in my SPSS. So I will go to analyze. Then I will go to correlate. Where is correlate? Yeah, this is the correlate. Then I will click this. Now it will show me this. So I will select total variables. I'm selecting all the variables, and variables should be in the numeric form. So that's why I have selected all the variables. Then in the options, I can choose what I want, uh, like it's okay, two-tailed Pearson. Like you can select also correlation coefficient. Basically, I by default I am selecting two, so that's fine. Okay, now I will click OK. So now I will get the output. So this is the output of my lab 4. So this is the Pearson correlation, and this is the Kendall-Stew correlation. So here I get the output of my lab 4 also. Now it's lab 5 where I have to do factor analysis. Finally, we perform factor analysis to identify underlying factors in our data and reduce dimensionality. So these are the steps for showing SPSS. Like this is the my SPSS software. So I will here go to analyze, then analyze to dimension reduction. So where is dimension reduction? Here it is. Through dimension reduction, I will click to factor. Now I have clicked to factor, it will open. So here also again I have to select my all variables. So I am selecting all my variables. Wait a minute. Uh, so I have selected all and I will transport to variables. Now there are some options I have to like take. Continue. In extraction, I will create eigenvalue is should be greater than 1. Sleep plot. This is fine. Now I will go to rotation. Okay, that is also fine. Now I will click OK button. Now I will get my output. So this is the my output of my lab 5. As you can see, this is the KMO1 battle test which I have checked, and these are the tables as shown. This is the total variance explained, and this is the sleep plot of showing my. And I have also marked the eigenvalue should be greater than this. And this is the component matrix. So this is the output of the lab 5 also. So this basically now this concludes the demonstration of EBDA ABL modules from 1 to 5 in SPSS. We have learned how to import and code data and set up variables and check reliability and calculate central tendency dispersion analysis, analyze correlation and perform factor analysis. So I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.